Hey everybody, this is Diane with Craftin' with Fury and Miss Judy from My Scrapbook Loft.
Hello.
Hope you guys are doing good. Well, this is the second video in the series of the, let me get the box real quick, the Physics Stencil and Stamp Tool. Now, we will leave the link to the first video below that showed you how you can make these with the Physics stencils, which is this right here, and super fun, wasn't it?
It's awesome.
It's super fun. And so now we're going to show you how to use stencils you've already got in your stash, which of course we all have stencils in our stash. You have stencils in your stash?
I have a few.
Yeah, I do too. Do you use them a lot?
No.
Well, this tool will make you use them because I'm getting ready to use mine a whole lot.
Yeah.
So, the Physics Stencil and Stamp Tool. They have what's called a universal connector where you can use any size of stencil. And we're going to show you how to do that. You get 10 of these. And this is what they look like. And it's got a little strip here with sticky on the back. You know what sticky is?
Yes,
your fingers stick to it.
Sticky is.
Yep. And so what you will do, you will take your top plate off, take your non-sticky paper off. Am I being silly?
No, you're not.
You will put this adapter that you used for the Physics stencils on the mat.
Oh, and you guys, this is so hard. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this took us a while to figure out.
It's so hard.
We was like, really? It's this
Really?
simple?
It's this simple.
So you see there's the two holes here. Sticky side up. Slide that in the hole. Easy peasy. And I do have some of the new Tim Holtz collection stencils that you can buy at ScrappyShak. And that's who we're doing the video for. All you do, guys, pay attention because this is
So hard.
it's very, very difficult.
It's so hard.
You put your stencil down on that sticky strip and burnish, burnish, burnish. Burnish, burnish, burnish. And after all that burnish, burnish, burnishing,
And that's really hard too.
there you go.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how easy it is to be able to use this tool with your other stencils. And reusable. Put the little sticky thing back on there. Ready for your next stencil. Okay, so say you don't have Tim Holtz stencils that are this size. Say you've got a stencil like Lawn Fawn that's a 6x6. Got a lot of 6x6s. All you do, same concept. Put your adapter down. Come here, little fella. Take the sticky off there, or the sticky, non-sticky off there. Put that in the hole. Sticky side up. Put your stencil where you want it. Burnish, burnish, burnish. Look. I burnished too much. Look. Now you can use your 6x6 stencils. How easy is that?
Easy peasy.
Says Wheezy.
Yep.
All right. Let's just say that you've got some little tag stencils. What are you going to do if you want to use it on this tool? What
You're
would you
gonna
do?
use the adapting thing. The doohickey thing.
Yeah. So, talking about universal. I mean, they have named it right. So these are like little tag stencils. Say you want to make a bunch of tags for, Christmas. You want to put on your, but it doesn't have a hole to put in there. What would you do?
Put your little doohickey thing on there.
You get you a Sizzix stencil and stamp tool. And look. Put it on there. Burnish, burnish, burnish. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
And that is all there is to it.
That's it.
Yep.
That was so easy.
And
when we were going to do it, we were like, oh my gosh, how long is this going to take to learn?
I mean, that's how easy it was when we was like, seriously?
Yeah.
Good
like,
grief.
What?
Good
Really?
grief. And as you can see, it's really sticky. Feel, Judy. It's real sticky still.
Put it in my hand, girl.
So that shows you how easy it is. You can use any size stencil with this stamping tool. So it's not going to be a one and done tool that you've spent money on and can only use it for one thing.
No. Any stencil you may own, you can use on this.
Right. As long as you can put that little thing on the back, you will be able to use it.
And those are not expensive, and there's like, what, 10?
There's 10 in them.
In a package.
They're $5.99.
And she's got 15% off, you all.
That's right. So right now is the best time to get all of these products that you're wanting, these crafty goodness, to get 15% off because her prices are good anyway. And then you get the 15% off, and then if you spend $99, you get free shipping, and she's very fast on shipping, guys. Super fast. So we love this tool.
Christmas is coming up, you all. If you've got somebody in the family who likes to buy you stuff to work with for Christmas, put this on your Christmas list.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. And this, you don't have to just use Sizzix dies or Sizzix stencils or stamps with this. You can
use any stencil you own.
Exactly. And it can even, you can stencil and stamp. Stencil it, can leave it where it's at, stamp it again. That's all you got to do. So yes, you can tell we're kind of hooked on this product, on this
Very
tool.
excited about this product.
We are,
Yeah.
we are. And so this is the second in the series of the Sizzix stencil and stamp platform. And we'll have one more in this series, and it will show you how to do layering stamps. Sizzix has come out with layering stamps that you can also use. So that will be fun.
It will.
Yep. And guys, Judy is going to do a demonstration. She's going to make a card using stencils. So head on over to my scrapbook loft and check out her video of demonstrating. She's going to create a card. So
I'm excited about it.
we're excited too.
Yeah.
Wish you guys were here, and we thank you so much for spending time with us. And we really, really, really appreciate Melanie for inviting us down here. We've just had a blast.
We have.
It's been
We
fun.
have.
It has been just so fun. So thank you guys so very much for sticking with us, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.